Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the major of indices, major of boom and crash, major of step index. Okay, now you can see we are running good profits on VIX 10. Okay, VIX 10, we are running good profits. Was running like $10, $11. Okay, just a little pullback. So we are hoping to make like $400 from here, from our entry here to this very point. Though I was looking for a good confirmation to open the same lot size here, like its lot size again, so we could make like $800 from our entry down here. But it's okay, it's all good. But if I have a good confirmation, I can still open more positions so that we make good profits. Okay, so that's how we trade, that's how we make money. So you can see my SL here, I'm gonna tip it down here. This is about 6 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so yeah, VIX 10. Let me quickly show you guys my reasons for the VIX 10. If you can check here on the 4 hours time frame, we are running good profits. Sorry, we are in a downtrend. This is a downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. You can see from here down, up here, down, up here, down, went up here, down, went up to this point again, about to go down again below this other level. That's why we took the sell. Okay, so if you check again on the 1 hour time frame, you can see it's still the same movement, the same structure we have on the 1 hour time frame. It's a downtrend. It's creating lows to the downside, right? So this is a key good setup. This is a good setup. We are running $45 in profit right now. This is a good setup, guys. So we expecting price to drop all the way down to this point and we make $400. Okay, we make $400 at that point, right? Just made 50. So I believe from there to here we should be making like $100. Yeah, to this point we should be making $100. From there to this point we should be making $100. So let me quickly update my people so they know that we are running good profits, right? Yeah, that's why I just screenshotted the stuff so that they know that we are running good profits. So that's why I just took the screenshot so as to show my people that we are running profits. Okay, and we are still on gold here. I'm running $40 profits on gold. See my entry here on gold. So we trade both indices and currency. Okay, we trade everything because my strategy, what I will teach you, you can equally use it to trade. You can equally use it to trade Bitcoin. You can trade anything, any chart at all. Okay, my strategy. So this is one of the reasons you need to learn from us. You need to learn from us, right? So this is us now making money with profits on B1. On gold. Okay, so this is our target on gold up to this point. That's our target. We will be making like $700 from here to this point. We should be making $700. Okay, then if you are losing, we will be losing like $100, right, to make 700, right? So yeah, so we are still running profits here. Let me update my people that we are running profits. So this is my channel right here, guys. This is my channel here. This is my channel right here, guys. So we block it. We don't want people to start seeing our profits. That's why you see I love closing the stuff like this. I know a lot of people will be like, it's a demo. It's not a demo account. We don't trade demo. I've been in this system for a very long time now. Okay, so this is how it's done. If you're on my free channel, you should know this is how it's done. If you're wondering why I've been doing it this way, this is just how it's done. Yeah, so you see, you can never go broke if you secure partial profits. Okay, if you secure if you secure partial profits, you can never go broke. Trust me, guys, you can never go broke. Yeah. So that's my VIP. You can see we have over 301 members. So I just sent it to my free channel, right? You can never go broke if you take partial profits every time you make you trade. You take partial profits. You can never go broke But at this point, I don't want to take partial profit because I was supposed to make over $800, and I wasn't too sure the move was going to happen immediately. That's why I had to open those few positions just to make 400. So I'm not close. I'm really sure it will be dropping down to this point. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, so as I was saying, let me quickly show you guys my reason for this trade. So this is a resistance here. This is a resistance here, because if I move like this, you can see price market has been respecting that level. You can see here, respected that level some time ago, right? Another one here, there was a reversal here. So market has been reversing around this point. So this is our resistance here. It's a key resistance on this chart, right? So because it's a key resistance on this chart, and I've seen this rejection already, guys, we've seen a lot of rejection around this level. That shows that we don't longer have bullish pressure around this level here. We have more sellers around this level here, and price drop, and there was some structures created on the lower time frame that gave me the entry. So now on the 15 minutes time frame, which was my entry, I waited for this very candlestick to close, this very red candlestick to close. Then I shot at that point, right? We are running in profits. Once we break this zone, once this zone is broken, immediately this zone is broken, got broken, we are flying, guys. We are flying to $200 at this point, and 400 and around this level here. That's it, guys. Stop playing. We are the best here. Okay, so we give free we give we manage accounts. Okay, accounts management. We run accounts management. If you have an account, you want to trade with us, you can meet us, then we manage your accounts for you, right? You just give us your accounts, we manage, we make profits, and we share the profits, right? Then mentorship is right there. Mentorship, you want to learn how to do what I'm doing now to make good profits. Do what I'm doing now to make good profits. You meet me, we talk business, right? We make good profits, right? And also, yeah, we make good profits. And what again? Yeah, for Signal, you can meet me for Signal. Like you see, I've shown you guys this my Signal platform. You can see this is not fake. It's real. It's real, guys. It's real stuff, right? We make this money every day. We make this money. It's not joke. It's everyday stuff. Everyday stuff. Everyday stuff is everyday stuff, right? Sorry. It's every day. So we make this money every day, right? So join our platform. Check the description area to join our free Telegram channel. See what we are doing. We are making good profits, guys. We are not joking. Running almost $70 profits. So we're not joking, guys. I'm feeling bad now. I didn't I opened like 16 lots like I planned. I'll be making like 1/4 by now. I might have maybe close $70, then allow 70 to run, or when I hit $100, I close 100, then I allow this one to run. But it's all good, right? It's all good. We're gonna make profit. That one's certain. Yeah. So yeah, join us. Let's make money together. Our robot is killing the market, guys. The robot is killing the market. So ask me for a robot. While you're sleeping, a robot is making money for you. You're winning. You're winning. You're winning. So yeah, our students are enjoying. If I show you our feedback from our students, trust me, it's the best. It's the bomb. They are doing good. They are doing good, guys. So yeah, that's it. That'll be all for now, guys. Make sure that you learn how to trade. Stop too much of indicators, too much of whatever. Learn how to trade. Know your markets. Know exactly what you're doing. Stop playing, guys. There's money in forex trading. Let me teach you. Let me be your mentor. Okay. Our July batch starts pretty soon. So join us, guys. Let's make money. Yep.